Hi y'all! So today we are going to be making an oxtail stew. Now this is my own little combo, but it is going to be most similar to the Filipino kai kai. For this we have some bok choy, onion, peanut butter, garlic, cinnamon, black pepper, salt, green beans, an eggplant, and obviously our oxtail. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright, so we're going to put our Dutch oven on a medium-high heat, or whatever you're cooking in. Doesn't have to be our Dutch, but I'm using the Dutch. We're going to go ahead, just coat the bottom of that with some olive oil. And then we're going to let this get hot real quick. Once our oil's warm enough to sear, we're going to go ahead we just want to get a good sear on all of our oxtail. Alright, so after just a quick sear, we're going to go ahead, pull all our oxtail. I diced my onion off camera, but we're going to go ahead and drop in our large diced onion. Once that starts to cook, we're going to add in a tablespoon of garlic, take a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. We're trying to get our onions to a really nice golden brown. Once we've caramelized our onion, take a tablespoon of our cinnamon. We're going to add about half a cup of water. Take our oxtails and drop them back in. Now we're going to add water until we cover all of our oxtails. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and cover this. We're going to let this simmer for 3 to 4 hours. You'll want to check it regularly, giving it a quick stir, adding water when needed. But after about 3 to 4 hours, I'll bring you back. Hi y'all, so we're coming up on the 4-hour mark of simmering. We're going to go ahead and start cutting our veggies. We'll start with our bok choy. Once you cut it open, you definitely need to wash it. Once we wash it, we're just going to go ahead and cut it up. Then we're also going to cut up our green beans. Alright, so we've gone ahead and peeled our zucchini, our eggplant, not zucchini. We're going to go ahead and dice this up as well. Alright y'all, so we've been simmering close to 4 hours. So we're going to add in about a half a cup of peanut butter. Go ahead and get that melted in. Then we're going to take and add in our veggies. Then we're going to let this cook for another 30 or so minutes. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there we have it, oxtail stew. Now you can go ahead, serve this up with some mashed potatoes, serve it up on some rice, or you can just put it in a bowl and have some stew. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.